Welcome to Ballroom Dance Chicago's wedding tutorials. Today we're going to be learning swing for your wedding, and this is the first video in the series where we teach you the basic step. I'm going to be leading today, so if you're a leader, watch me.
I will be the follower today, so if you're a follower, watch me.
Sounds good. So why don't we show them what it looks like first so they get the general picture, then we're going to break it down for you. We're just going to hold hands like this for today. Just know that this is an option we're going to talk about at a later date. So we're going to go bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Now this doesn't say square the whole time. The next video actually will show you the rotation, but this is just the basic without rotation. I think you can come in here and look at our feet. I'm just going to keep dancing and talk you through this as we go. So the beginning of the step, let's pause for a second. So beginning of the step is my left foot in place, right foot in place, and then I do a rock step. So it goes left foot in place, right foot in place, rock step. Can you scoot this way a little bit and show them the rock step? Because that's the only tricky part of this. So these are easy, it's just in place. The rock step is me transferring my weight between my left foot and my right foot. So the rock step is left, then right. Notice I have to pick that right foot up. What I don't want to do is just tap that toe back here. So I want to go 1, 2, and a rock step, 1, 2, and a rock step. How about the followers' footwork, Anne-Marie?
Followers, we will be just mirroring our leaders, starting with our right foot going right, left, rock step. Same thing with that rock step. We're going to be rocking and picking up that front foot as we rock.
Cool. So what you'll notice is that we're moving away from each other during the rock step. What most of the people get wrong with this when they first start doing it is they try to go with each other, which happens in most dances. If you know something like a box step, we would actually move with each other with the box step. This we're moving in opposition to one another. So we go 1, 2, and then we rock away from each other. So you should feel a little pull in the hands here. When we do get into frame, you'll feel a little bit more of a pull there because we have this arm connected. Timing-wise, it's going to be slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. The slows are slower than the quicks, obviously. The quicks are twice as fast as the slows. I always am not 100% sure how to say that. The slows are twice as slow as the quicks are twice as fast as the slows. The quicks are 1 beat of music, if that makes sense to you. The slows are 2 beats of music. So if we're counting numbers, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's all I have to say about this step. Next, we're going to work on rotation.
So stay tuned.
In the swing basic. Let's show them what that looks like really quick. We will be back shortly with that. Thank you all for joining us for our tutorial today. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, feel free to email us or call us. And if you're in Chicago, come in and take a dance lesson already. See ya.